In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the right door hinge on this Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new hinge, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Now, on the top of the fridge, remove the Phillips screw and plastic cover over the hinge. Before removing the hinge, apply a piece of tape to secure the door in place. With the cover removed, you will see a total of 4 screws. We only need to remove these 2. Use a T25 Torx bit to remove the 2 screws seated on top of the hinge. Then, lift up on the hinge to remove it from the fridge. When shopping for a new right door hinge, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. This part is side specific, so make sure you're ordering the correct one. Now, align the hinge to the top of the door, push back in place, and reinstall the 2 screws. The hinge can only be installed in one direction. Then, reinstall the plastic hinge cover. Again, this can only be installed in one direction. Now, peel off the tape. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.